Well, don't know how much you can see of this, but it is 6:30, Friday the 22nd, 23rd, I've lost track of time, here at Yankeetown General Store in Yankeetown, Florida. The wind is whipping pretty well, trees across the street. Not raining so much. Rained quite a bit overnight, but luckily no flooding yet. We're 3 miles from the end of Highway 40 right into the Gulf, and we're worried about water coming up the boat ramp and up onto the road out here, but so far so good. A little ditch right here in front of us is starting to fill up with water. Right there behind those trees is the Gulf of Mexico. It's all water. That's pretty much it. It's starting to rain again. For some reason the people on the Weather Channel don't seem to know we exist out here or on the news, because we're just this little teeny tiny town out in the middle of nowhere. But we've been getting this, and it's going to keep going right over the top of us all day today.